Volcanoes, mountains of fire and fury, they have captivated humankind for millennia. Their raw power both terrifies and mesmerizes. I have been fortunate enough to witness these natural wonders up close, but nothing compares to the view from above. Imagine this, soaring high above the earth, the wind whipping past your drone. Below, a volcano rumbles, a testament to the immense forces at work within our planet. The drone's camera captures every detail, from the jagged lava flows to the plumes of smoke billowing skyward. This is not just about pretty pictures, it's about understanding our planet's fiery heart. It's about witnessing the awesome power of nature, a power that can both create and destroy, and it's about sharing that experience with the world. Flying a drone over a volcano is no walk in the park. It requires meticulous planning and the right equipment. First, we need to choose the right volcano. Is it active, dormant? What are the wind conditions like? Next, the drone. It needs to be robust, reliable, and capable of handling the heat and gases emanating from the volcano. High-capacity batteries are crucial as flight time is limited in such demanding conditions. We also need specialized cameras to capture the intense heat and light. And let's not forget safety equipment, respirators, heat-resistant clothing, and emergency supplies. Finally, we brief the team. Every member knows their role and the potential dangers. We are venturing into an unforgiving environment, and safety is paramount. The day arrives. The anticipation has been building for weeks, and now the moment is finally here. Excitement mixes with trepidation as we launch the drone. The hum of the rotors fills the air, a sound that signifies the beginning of our journey. It ascends steadily, the volcano growing larger with every passing moment. The landscape below transforms, revealing the rugged terrain sculpted by ancient forces. Soon we are looking down upon a scene of primal beauty. The crater, a gaping maw in the earth, tells a story of creation and destruction. The landscape is a patchwork of colors. The black and red of old lava flows, the green of tenacious vegetation clinging to life. Each hue represents a different chapter in the volcano's history. In the distance, a plume of smoke rises from the crater, a constant reminder of the forces at work below. It's a sight that evokes both awe and respect for nature's raw power. As we fly closer, the true scale of the volcano becomes apparent. The enormity of the crater is overwhelming, a testament to the relentless energy that shaped it. The crater yawns open, a vast amphitheater carved by fire and fury. It's a dramatic landscape, one that commands attention and respect. It's a humbling sight, a reminder of our own insignificance in the face of such raw power. Standing on the edge, we feel a profound connection to the Earth's primal forces. The drone circles above, its cameras capturing every detail. Each frame is a testament to the volcano's grandeur and the intricate patterns etched into its surface. We can almost feel the heat radiating from the volcano, smell the sulphurous tang in the air. It's a sensory experience that transcends the visual, immersing us in the environment. It's an immersive experience like nothing we've ever witnessed before. The drone's perspective offers a unique vantage point, allowing us to appreciate the volcano's majesty in a way that ground-based observation never could. The drone hovers above the crater, a ballet of technology and nature. It's a delicate dance, requiring precision and skill to navigate the unpredictable winds and intense heat. The drone's propellers whir softly, a stark contrast to the violent landscape below. This is not just a flight, it's an exploration into the unknown, capturing moments that are both fleeting and eternal. The air shimmers with heat, distorting the view. It's like looking through a veil of liquid glass where the boundaries of reality blur. The heat waves create an almost surreal effect, making the landscape appear to dance and ripple. This visual distortion is both a challenge and an opportunity, adding a unique texture to the images we capture. This is where the real challenge begins, capturing the perfect shot. Every angle, every frame must be meticulously planned. The drone's camera is our eye in the sky, offering perspectives that are otherwise impossible to achieve. We adjust the settings, tweak the angles, and wait for the perfect moment when the light, the smoke, and the molten rock align in a symphony of visual splendor. We need to be patient, waiting for the wind to die down, for the smoke to clear. Patience is key in this volatile environment. The smoke swirls unpredictably, sometimes obscuring the view entirely, but when it clears, it reveals a scene of raw, untamed beauty. It's a waiting game, but the rewards are worth it. The drone's camera is our eye peering into the heart of the volcano. It captures details that are both mesmerizing and terrifying. The lens zooms in, revealing the intricate patterns of the molten rock, the cracks and crevices that tell the story of the Earth's fiery core. It's a glimpse into a world that is as beautiful as it is dangerous. We see molten rock bubbling within, a fiery cauldron of unimaginable heat. The images are breathtaking. The lava moves like a living creature, its surface constantly shifting and changing. It's a reminder of the immense power that lies beneath the Earth's crust, a power that can both create and destroy. The sight is both humbling and awe-inspiring. They capture the raw beauty of the volcano, the power that lies dormant beneath its surface. The landscape is a testament to the forces of nature, shaped by eruptions and lava flows over millennia. Each photograph is a snapshot of this dynamic process, a moment frozen in time that tells a story of creation and destruction. This is a side of nature few ever get to see. The drone allows us to explore these hidden realms, to document the beauty and the danger that coexist in these extreme environments. It's a privilege to witness these scenes, to share them with the world, and to remind ourselves of the incredible planet we call home. But it's not without its risks. Flying a drone near an active volcano is fraught with danger. The intense heat, the toxic gases, and the unpredictable eruptions all pose significant threats. Every mission is a calculated risk, a balance between capturing stunning images and ensuring the safety of the equipment and the crew. The heat can damage the drone's electronics. The extreme temperatures can cause malfunctions, affecting the drone's ability to fly and capture images. We have to constantly monitor the drone systems, ensuring that it remains operational in these harsh conditions. It's a delicate balance requiring both technical expertise and a deep understanding of the environment. The gases can interfere with its sensors. The volcanic gases are corrosive, capable of damaging the sensitive equipment on the drone. This can lead to inaccurate readings, making it difficult to navigate and capture clear images. We have to be vigilant, constantly checking the drone's status and making adjustments as needed. We monitor everything closely, ready to abort the mission if necessary. Safety is our top priority. We have protocols in place to ensure that we can quickly and safely retrieve the drone if conditions become too dangerous. It's a high-stakes operation, but the rewards are worth it. The images we capture are a testament to the power and beauty of nature, a reminder of the incredible world we live in. Section 5. The Science of the Inferno. Understanding volcanic activity. These images are not just stunning visuals, they represent a crucial part of our understanding of volcanic activity. They are valuable data points for scientists studying these geological marvels. By examining these images, researchers can gather critical information about the behavior and characteristics of volcanoes. By analyzing the images and data collected by the drone, we can learn more about how volcanoes work. This includes understanding the flow of lava, the release of gases, and the overall structure of the volcano. Volcanologists can track changes in the volcano's activity, monitor gas emissions, and observe shifts in the landscape. This continuous monitoring is essential for predicting potential eruptions and understanding the life cycle of a volcano, and even predict future eruptions. Predictive models are created using this data, which helps in forecasting volcanic events with greater accuracy. This information is crucial for protecting nearby communities and understanding the forces that shape our planet. Emergency response plans can be developed and refined based on these predictions, ensuring the safety of those living in the shadow of these powerful natural phenomena. The drone's thermal imaging cameras, for instance, can detect minute temperature variations, providing a detailed thermal map of the volcano's surface, revealing areas where magma is rising or where new vents are forming. This thermal data is critical for identifying potential eruption sites and understanding the internal heat dynamics of the volcano. This real-time data is invaluable for predicting eruptions and mitigating risks. Scientists can make informed decisions quickly, potentially saving lives and reducing damage. Our drone footage can also help scientists create detailed three-dimensional models of the volcano, which are essential for visualizing its internal structure. Providing insights into its internal structure and the processes that drive its activity. These models can simulate various scenarios, helping researchers to predict future behavior and plan accordingly. Section 6. The dance of creation and destruction. There's a strange dichotomy to volcanoes. They are agents of destruction, capable of unleashing unimaginable devastation, yet they are also creators. Volcanic eruptions have shaped our planet for billions of years, forming new landmasses, enriching soils, and even influencing our atmosphere. As we watch the drone's footage, we are reminded of this delicate balance. The molten rock that spews from the volcano may destroy everything in its path, but it also gives birth to new life. The ash that blankets the landscape may seem barren, but it is filled with nutrients that will eventually nourish the soil. It's a cycle of creation and destruction, repeated over eons, and we are privileged to witness a snapshot of this process, a brief moment in the life of a volcano. Section 7. The fragile beauty of Earth's fury. The drone returns to us, its memory banks filled with incredible images and data. Section 8. Respecting the power and note on safety. Our expedition has been a success, but it's important to remember that flying a drone over a volcano is not without its risks. The heat, the gases, the unpredictable nature of volcanic activity, these are all factors that demand respect. Safety is paramount in these endeavors. That's why we take every precaution, from using the right equipment to meticulously planning our flights. We also work closely with volcanologists and local authorities to ensure we are not putting ourselves or others at risk. For those inspired to embark on similar adventures, thorough research and preparation are essential. Understand the risks, respect the power of nature, and never underestimate the importance of safety. Section 9. Awe and inspiration, the enduring allure of volcanoes. As we leave the volcano behind, we carry with us a profound sense of awe and inspiration. We have witnessed the raw power of nature, the delicate balance between creation and destruction, and we have captured it all on film to share with the world. Volcanoes will continue to fascinate us, to challenge our understanding of our planet. They are a reminder of the incredible forces that shape our world and the importance of respecting the power of nature, and who knows what other secrets these fiery giants hold. Perhaps in the years to come, our drones will help us unlock even more of their mysteries, revealing new wonders and deepening our understanding of the planet we call home.